Creations, and today I finally got, because this is the only thing I think I was waiting on, was my Tonic Studio kit, my membership. So I am so excited. Let's get into this baby. It came in one of the, let me cut it first, guys, and I'll show you. Of course, one of these, and I saved these because, you know, you can use this for tie back when making albums. Woo! Yes! Alright, so that's how it comes. It shows you the kit. Let's get into this baby. I am super excited. Which one did I get? Yay, I got the 40. I am so excited, guys. There is a big drop sale. Yes, on the site I have been seeing this. Up to 60% off of all the Nuvo drops. All the different types. So y'all get on that. So this is the die set. I do know that. So let's put this kit to the side and pull things out. Amazing. I'm loving that everything is packaged. Got a little peanuts in here. So I can put it back in there. Okay. So I know this is the paper. Let's look at these products, guys. I'm excited. Alright, so the first things in this kit this month is pewter gray striped baker's twine. So you get a whole roll, guys. I know y'all can see it, but I'm going to take this plastic off. You get a whole roll. Wow, now that's nice. I love baker's twine, so that's awesome. Then the second thing in here that I see, I love that everything is individually packaged. Says Nuvo Ruby Red Pure Sheen Glitter. Wow. Okay. Y'all know I love some glitter now. Those that watch my channel, you know I love glitter. Look at that. Very fine, extra fine glitter. Yes. I'm loving that. Sounds like a nice, I can't wait for the next one. I ain't even looked at all this stuff yet. Just excited to be getting stuff. A new subscription. Alright, ooh, this is a beautiful color. This is Nuvo. What is it called? I can't read it. I think it is, holy moly, Glimmer Paste. This is Glimmer Paste, and it is Rich Cocoa. Oh my gosh, look at that color, guys. That is beautiful. I'm absolutely loving it, and I'm getting a buildup of these. I'm excited. Start playing with this. I will start playing with this, guys. Let's see. This this next one is Nuvo Stone Drops. It adds texture like stones. And this one is called Fiery Volcano. Wow, now this is my first bottle of this. Fiery Volcano, and it is stone drops. I've never had stone drops. So that's cool. Yes. And then this. Oh, see, look. That's why it's good to put them in bags. Can y'all see all that in there? It sprayed out or leaked out a little bit. So that is exactly why they do that. I'm going to get stuff all over my hands. But it is a mist. Let me get a napkin. So I can get this cleaned off so it won't get on everything. Alright. Wow, it's a mica mist. I'm a mica mist. Oh, wow. Nuvo Mica Mist. And this color is Crimson Velvet. It says shake before you use it. Oh my gosh. If we get these in every kit, I'm going to be excited. All these staples right here. The glitter, the drops, the glimmer paste, the twine, and then a mist. Oh my gosh. So now I'm going to have to make one of my resin pieces to hold these glimmer mists in. Because the mold I have won't hold these. I wish they did make a mold to do that. But I keep my, let me show y'all while I got it. I keep my pinata colors in this. This is one of my molds, and it holds these perfectly. So these will be just fine in this. I need to make another one. So, but anyway, that's not what we were talking about. All right, so got those 5 items. Let's look at this beautiful paper. I know the paper's in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Let's put these in the back. Look at those last. I think there is. Somebody said that they had started putting these little cards in here, so that's awesome. That shows what's in the kit. So we have, I want to make sure I'm saying the right names. Wow, what in the hey diddle? All right, so this one, ooh, look how beautiful that is. Let me see what this one could be. Pearlescent glazed chestnut. Can y'all see that? Oh my gosh, that is beautiful, and it's on both sides. Are you freaking kidding me right now? Then this one is classic card, pewter gray. This is the classic card, and it's on both sides where it has a texture on the front and smooth on the back, so you can use either side. Then this one is called, ooh, it says mirror card, but maybe they call it mirror card, but that's not shiny like the next one you're about to see. But they call it mirror card black velvet. It's very smooth. Maybe that's why they call it mirror card. Ooh, look at that. This is the mirror card opera red. That is beautiful. Opera red. Then we have, which one is this? This might be, I don't see this one on there. Oh, yes it is. Smooth card, black. And it's 300 GSM. Don't know what that is, but black. That's a good solid piece. Then we have classic card, maroon red. Texture on one side, smooth on the other. You can use both sides. Then we got this beautiful, oh my gosh. Look at that right there. Oh, I need more of this one. Oh, I need more of this one. Look at that. Are you freaking kidding me right now? That is gorgeous. This one is called the Specialty Card Umber Etching. Umber Etching. Those beautiful flowers in that. Oh my gosh. Yes, I will be ordering a pack of that. And then the last but certainly not least, look at this. Oh, look at that texture, guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. And it's, if y'all can see from the side, it is raised. So it's an embossed paper, and it's a specialty paper. It's called Red Berries. Wow, look at that. This is awesome. I got to be very careful with this one. I only got one sheet. I need to order some more of that, but that is awesome, guys. These papers are beautiful. I can't wait to use them. So let's get into the nitty gritty. This is how this Tonic craft kit number 40 comes. I love how they stamp the next number. Open it up. Ooh, look at the folder. All right, so it looks like I have a stamp set. Look at that. Thank you so much from me to you. I love this little design here, just to say it's all yours. A little something you might like. That is nice. I love, love, love that. And I love that they gave it in this kit. All right, so this is the die set. Oh my gosh. I have been seeing it, and woo, they gave instructions. A lot of people have been saying they have not been getting instructions, so now they're putting the instructions in here. That is awesome. And then it came with a little sticker. Crafting makes everything better. Amen. Yes. Hey, I like that. So these are the dies. Look how beautiful, guys. I'm loving the details here. The different choices you have to make this beautiful box. Look at this. I'm loving it. It's got lots of layer dies. Then you got words that you can put on little tags. This right here is a corner die to make the corners on your box. And this is what the box looks like, guys. Oh my gosh. I will definitely be doing one of these boxes and posting a video, guys, to show y'all. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Very, very cute. And this one is called the, what is it called? The Pivot Box. Yeah, Pivot Box Set. Oh, ooh, ooh. Love it, love it, love it. Pivot Box Set. So y'all stay tuned for some videos, guys, of showing what I created with this beautiful die set. I am so excited I was able to jump on this subscription. And I'm doing the monthly subscription. There's several ways you can do it. You can do yearly, you can do quarterly, you can do different ways, but I'm doing monthly. And it is $33 a month. And then once you join the subscription, you can use a code that'll give you, what is it, 10% off, I think, every order that you place. So you know I've been wanting to order some more paper. So that's how I've been doing it since I joined the club, the subscription. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. I'm so excited to get started on this kit. Did you sign up for this kit? Why not? Let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'm so excited. Bye-bye.